If Node.js is single-threaded, why does this code not run in the order you expect? Today, I'll explain the Node.js event loop so simply that this code will never confuse you again. Node.js can only do one thing at a time. So how does it handle thousands of users, read files, and call APIs? Answer, it never waits doing nothing. That's the event loop's job. It handles everything by coordinating tasks behind the scenes. Let's start with the call stack. Watch this code. Function first, console.log first. Function second, console.log second. First, then second. This is boring and predictable. Output is first, second. Why? Because the call stack works top to bottom, one at a time. Now let's add a slow task. Console.log start. Set timeout with 0 milliseconds. Console.log end. What do you think prints first? The output is start, end, timeout. Even though the timeout is 0 milliseconds, here's what happened. Set timeout is sent outside Node.js. When it finishes, it goes to the callback queue. It waits. The event loop only pulls from the queue when the call stack is empty. That's why end prints before timeout. Now let's make it interesting. Add a promise. Start, timeout, promise, end. What's the real order? Most beginners expect promise last, but the real output is start, end, promise, timeout. Why? Because promises are VIPs. Promises go to the microtask queue, and microtasks always run before normal callbacks. Remember, clear all microtasks first. After every task, clear all microtasks, then take one macro task. This explains real-world behavior like API calls. Even if both finish around the same time, promise callback runs first, timeout waits. Node.js is prioritizing smartly. Let's destroy some myths. Async means non-blocking, not parallel. Event loop is coordination, not multi-threading. Summary, call stack, Haberner's current work. Microtasks, Haberner VIP promises. Callback queue, Haberner timers. Event loop, Haberner traffic police. If this made sense, comment event below for a deep dive PDF. Subscribe for more.